Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a haul. So I have a little bit of a mixture. I have some Dollar Tree and a little bit of Debs and a little like sprinkle of Bath and Body Works. So if you want to see the product that I purchased, it's just a random haul that I picked up yesterday. If you want to see what I picked up, just keep on watching. But if you do love Dollar Tree, I have a whole Dollar Tree playlist linked down below if you want to check out my past haul videos, full faces, or ranking videos. That's going to be in the description box below. Let's get into Bath and Body Works. My boyfriend's birthday is coming up, so he did get a birthday reward, and he was like, pick something, you know, we can use it, we can use a coupon on it or whatever. So I picked something that I actually do use a lot, and I know I'm going to use this up really quickly. My favorite night balm. I think I tried this like years ago, but I saw this and I was like, okay, it was between this and a Bath and Body Works plumping like lip plumper moment. I'm actually going to use this product opposed to the lip plumper every day, so yeah, I decided to go with this. And thankfully they have like little testers there, so I was able to look at it, and it smells really nice as well. So I'm like pretty satisfied with this purchase. It's so cute. It's like nothing crazy, it's not like cutesy or anything, but I know for sure I'm going to use this. So yeah, that's the first thing. So from Debs, I went ahead and picked up this set here from Betsy Johnson, and this is their full razor set. So I do, as I've mentioned in other videos, like shave my face, shave out the peach fuzz, I do my brows. So these come in handy a lot, and I love that they're all like hot pink. It's just so cute. So it comes in a set. It comes with a total of, it comes with 2 little ones, which are perfect for the eyebrows. Then we get the 2, I don't know why 2 of them come with a cover and the other 2 don't, but right. And this was $4.99 at Debs. I've seen this before. I never picked it up, but I think this is so cute. So I did go ahead and grab this. And again, it's pink. So yes. So there's a look at the little one. This is so cute. They're like nice and thin. Ooh. These are just really hard to like get out of here. Like, how are you supposed to just like open this? And then there's a look at the one with the cover on it. Yes. I finally got them all out, but these are too cute. Okay, so I keep seeing a lot of Paris Hilton now, and this is giving me very Juicy Couture vibes. Now they did have a couple other products. They had a bunch of like lip oils, as well as some lip balms that were really cute, but I again was thinking like, what am I gonna use? What am I actually gonna you know, keep in rotation in my collection? It's not just gonna sit there because it's cutesy and it's like, you know, I'm not gonna use it. But this, you guys know how I feel about eyeliner. So this is a little eyeliner set. This is the Paris Hilton Ultimate Eyeliner Set. It comes with 6 pieces in here. So cute. And then there's a picture on the side. This was $5.99 at Debs. All right, so you get the gel eyeliner little pot. You get a waterproof eyeliner, an angled eyeliner brush. That is so cute. I love that everything's labeled. It's really helpful. We have a precision eyeliner, which is my fave. A retractable eyeliner. Love these two. My least favorite, but I can appreciate, is just a normal pencil eyeliner. Love that. Okay, let's swatch the eyeliner, this one here, because you guys know this is the one I'm going to be using a lot. Now, the only thing with this, it's like very generic, it's black packaging, and I'm sure the words are going to rub off eventually. But let's see. Oh no. Okay, there's a look at the liner. Okay, it looks promising. Love that. I love that it comes with a bunch of variations of eyeliners. That's my fave. Okay, so yeah, cannot wait to try these out, and this one as well. And lastly, from Debs, I came across this. We were about to leave and I was like, girl, stop everything, stop the cameras. And I saw this. Is so cute, right? I've never seen the bronzer palette. So this is the Paris Hilton Contour and Highlight 8-piece professional face palette, highlight and contour moment. And this was $5.99 at Debs. It shows you all the shades in the back as well. This is giving Juicy Couture, right? I just love it. Well, my nail almost popped off trying to open this, okay? But finally, it's out of the packaging. So again, the Contour and Highlight palette. How cute is this? And it is a little jumbo vibes, but it is like nice and thin. I just stabbed it with my nail. Great. Okay, anyways, there's a look at those powders. These are going to be perfect for, wait, does it say highlight? I literally stabbed it all the way to the pan. How is that possible? What? Well, anyway, yes, we get the bronzer shades in here. Obviously, I'm going to be using, well, they all look pretty good, actually. I'm going to be using the darkest one. That looks good. And then the highlight shades are really good for, like, the under eyes or, like, to brighten up any area on your face. Okay, it looks promising. They're nice and creamy, like, to the touch. They feel, well, not creamy, but they're nice and, like, soft. So, yeah, love that. Hate that I already stabbed it. So annoying, but so cute. All right, let's go through the Dollar Tree finds. The first product was this Believe Beauty Skin Hydrating Overnight Mask, which looks like so. It's honestly giving me like dupe vibes. Let me know what this is a dupe for. This is giving clean aesthetic. It looks really nice. Infused with macadamia and chamomile. So it says you can basically put on your face and sleep with it overnight and then just wash it off in the morning. So that sounds good to me. So we're going to see how this works. And again, I love the packaging. Next, we came across the Be Pure Bronzer Revitalizing Stick. Isn't this so cute? I was like, what? In the shade Deep Tan. This is also the only shade I came across. I also found their highlight one. So this is their highlighter revitalizing stick in the shade Golden. How cute are these? Be Pure is like on it, girl. These are too cute. There's a look at the bronzer stick. This must be a dupe for something. I'm honestly going blank, but it looks like a little deodorant. How cute. And it comes with a little plastic thing to like protect it. And then you just kind of like turn this thing. Oh, that is nice. Okay, let's swatch her. Okay, so again, this is in the shade Deep Tan. Love that. Let's bring her back down. Okay, great. This packaging is everything. That's so cute. And then again, their highlighter in Golden. The back, it shows you the directions, the warning signs, who manufactured this product. I don't think we get the actual shade name on here though. Oh no, it is. Never mind. Duh, it's like right in the front. Okay, awesome. They both come with a little seal, which I'm honestly not going to keep. It's just going to annoy me. There's a look at the product. Let's swatch her. Ooh. They actually look really promising. Even the bronzer looks a little hydrating vibes. Look, it's nice and creamy. Oh, okay. Living for the innovation. Okay, girl. These are so cute. I wonder if they came out with a blush one. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you seen a blush in the stick form like this? Because I only came across these two at the Dollar Tree that I went to. Next, let's get this out of the way. I picked up the Beauty Intuition Pretty Pastels palette. I could have sworn I don't have this in my collection, so I went ahead and picked this up. So it just looks so cute. They're nice and bright. It's giving Easter vibes. This looks really nice. So I did go ahead and pick this up. Let me take it out of the packaging. I just stabbed myself. Why am I hurting myself, girl? Nothing good ever comes from rushing. Keep that in mind, young friend. I feel like the elderly, but I literally ripped, like I dug into my hand and it like opened up. So girl, be careful, okay? It's not the first time. I need to be careful with this box cutter. They're dangerous, girl. Okay, so this is the Pretty Pastels palette. And like I was saying, it looked really cute. Definitely giving Easter vibrant shades, right? Really cute. We're going to see when we use this full face of Dollar Tree. Next, I went ahead and repurchased this product just so I can have a black one again, in case the other one runs out of ink. But this is the LA Colors. I've got my Cat Eye on You eyeliner in the shade Perfect Black, because this was part of the little cat collection. So cute. I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna leave it in my backups. All right, there's a look at that eyeliner. Has a little cat on the end. So cute. Okay, let's swatch this one. So there's a swatch of the cat liner. Both of the liners are really good, girl. Love that. So again, this is going to go in my backup drawer. We have one more makeup product. It's the LA Splash Wickedly Divine Matte Liquid Lipstick. I'm not sure the shade. Yeah. Oh, no, wait. It says Liquid Lipstick Rose. Rose is the shade. Nice. Okay, girl. And it has like the little gem on the end. That is so cute. Again, in the shade Rose. Doesn't say it anywhere in the packaging. Here's a look at the doe foot. Let's swatch her. Okay, the shade Rose. Looks cute. There's a swatch of that. Again, it's a matte liquid lipstick. That's adorable. I'm living for the packaging. It's everything. Love that. Love the gem. I needed a new fan because once I throw on my setting spray, I like to go in with the fan to kind of, you know, dry it down. Also, just really cute. So this is the Pride Love is Love foldable fan. Was $125, and I just need a new fan, but this is so cute. It has like all the colors. Love that. So now I can replace my old one because literally, let me show you. This one I use all the time, and look at how she's cute. She's like pink. She has little flowers on it from Dollar Tree, but it's literally broken. This part, look how. Anyway, I'm gonna get rid of her and replace her with this one. This one's so cute. And that's actually the last product in today's haul. I mean, I stabbed myself in my box cutter. A lot happened during this video. But if you want to see other Dollar Tree videos like this, hauls, full faces, ranking videos, check out my playlist down below. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed the Dee portion as well, Bath and Body Works. If you like these type of videos, obviously stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.